What's up, Pyros? Will G's the one bringing you an unboxing of the Boss assortment. No brain. But we finna show you what you guys go get. Cut this bad boy open. See what we got. We're gonna start from the top. It's a heavy assortment, man. And I was glad to get an assortment without the brothers. And I mean, I love them guys, but it's always good to get an assortment with some new names, especially some stuff I ain't never had. You know, pretty much had a lot of this stuff, but you know, like you might have a Pyro Predator cake, but you never had a Pyro Predator Satin Mills, you know, so on and so forth. So I'm really excited about this assortment. I know there's some brands in here you guys don't care for, like Legend. I love it all. Fireworks go bang. So we gonna start from the top. Got some Pyro Predator smoke balls. Oh shit, that's nice. Never had no smoke balls by Pyro Predator. Well, yeah, Pyro Predator smoke balls. They seem like good quality. They heavy. Oh, we got some ground blooms made in China. These look like some throwbacks. They can't be too throwback because they got the UN on it, but got some Roman counters by Shotgun Fireworks. Pyro Predator. I'm thinking it's 100-shot Saturn missile battery. Thunderstorm by Supreme Fireworks, 16 shots. Vet Fever, 9 shots by Shotgun Fireworks. Every cake. Zombie Invasion by Golden Bear. Looking for how many shots this is. 16 shot. Zombie Invasion. Dominator Fireworks, Rogue, Aerial. Let me turn the light on, it might be too dark. Seven shot. They got all this wrapped in plastic. I guess this is assortment in its own. Assortment in the assortment. USA, a Lotto #1. So yeah, this assortment of its own. Not about to open this. But that's cool, man. I wish my local fireworks store sold little packs like this. You got a Full Moon Night by Legend, 9 shot. Full Moon Hunter, 9 shot. Pyro Monster. Don't know the name of that cake. It say the Navy. That's that Navy cake. This cake salute to the U.S. Navy with blue tails, the blue blah blah blah. You got a Blackjack 16 shot. 16 shot California Contraband. I got no. Neon Sky by Pyro Monster, 16 shots. Green Bamboo, I'm thinking that's what they say, by Legend. Shoot Flaming Ball, so that's gonna be an aerial. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a color pearl in now, 48 shots. So just this little assortment alone, you got 6 200-gram cakes, an aerial, and another aerial. Move this to the side. We got another assortment in here. Let's see if this other one had that on the back. Y'all gotta bear with me, man. It's hard trying to move this heavy crap with one hand. This was a Lotto, number 1. And then we got a Lotto, number 2. And this one here has, ooh, these cakes heavy. Pyro Monster Joker, 25 shots. Don't know what this cake is. Can't see it from the back or the top, but we gonna say it's a banger. We got Heavy Loaded, 25 shots. Heavy Rider, 16 shots. Galaxy Warrior, 16 shots. And War Machine, 16 shots. 6 200-gram cakes. Let me put this one in my lap. Got a box of Festival Balls by Shotgun Fireworks. They go bust, so I'm excited about them. Ace Combat. This is an unbranded cake, so oh, it's by Firehawk. Go say this one. 12 shots. Ace Combat. Rowdy Rampage, 16 shot by Shotgun Fireworks. This cake, I'm guessing this one made by Firehawk too. Yep. We're gonna say this one, 12 shots as well. Fire Fear. Love the artwork. Excited about that. Last up. Pyro Predator canister shells. 6 in a box. I wonder what that special white brocade crown is. Yeah, we know what it is. And this is the Boss assortment. Throw that to the side. Oh yeah, boy, got some more on them. Put these up there. Now this is a nice assortment, man. I'm happy with it. I'm excited. Alright. It's a lot of stuff out of one assortment. Good stuff. If y'all followed along, y'all can count up how many 200-gram cakes. But this is the Boss assortment. Got some ground balloons, some good quality smoke balls, some Roman candles, festival balls, artillery shells, satin missiles. Good stuff too, man. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 200-gram cakes. One hybrid. Man, you can't beat that. I'm out.